Find the double integration, the area lying between the parabola y equal to 4x minus x square and the line y equal to x. Here, given curves are, one is parabola y equal to 4x minus x square, let it be equation 1, and y equal to x, that is the equation 2. Here, the parabola equation means if x equal to and y, it's minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 2 means 4 2s are minus 8, minus 4, that is minus 12. So minus 1 means, it's a plus means minus, minus 5, 0 means 0, 1 means 3, 2 means 8 minus 4, 4. This is the curve equation. Another one is the straight. We can draw the curve. It is the negative means minus 1 and it's a minus 2. It's a minus 5, minus 10 like that. It's a minus 12, minus 5 and 0. 1, 2 means for 1 it is the 3 and 2 means this is equal to 4. It's not a parabola. It's a parabola equation means. Okay. Minus 8 minus into minus 12. Okay. Like this, and y equal to x means for 0 equal to 0, for 1 equal to 1, for 2 equal to 2, for 3 equal to 3, like that. We get the some curve equation. Here, y equal to 4x minus x square and y equal to x means from these two, x equal to 4x minus x square. So x square minus 3x equal to 0. Taking left side, x square minus 4x plus x minus 3x, x common, x minus 3 equal to 0. From this one is x equal to 0, x equal to 3. Okay, the limits of x equal to we can take from, and the area y limits are y equal to x to y equal to 4x minus x square. X limits are 0 to 3. Then the area enclosed by the region is area by the region is equal to double integral over r dx dy is equal to integral x equal to 0 to 3 y equal to x to 4x minus x square dx dy. It is equal to x equal to 0 to 3 y integration 1 of dy integration is y limits from x to 4x minus x square to dx. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to 3. Here 4x minus x square, lower limit is x into dx is equal to integral x equal to 0 to 3. 4x minus x is 3x minus x square dx. Now integrating with respect to x means 3 right outside, x integration is x square by 2, limits from 0 to 3, minus x square integration is x cube by 3, limits from 0 to 3. It is equal to 3 into 3 square means 9 by 2 minus 0 minus 3 square, 3 cube means 27 by 3, 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. Here 27 by 2 minus 9, it is equal to 27 minus 18 by 2 equal to 9 by 2 square units is the answer. Okay, that is nothing but 4.5 square units. Find the whole area of the lemniscates r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Here, first of all, the given curve. The curve is r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. It is a symmetrical about the both coordinate axis. Okay. It passes through the pole, and how the a curve is nothing but it is the dumbbell shape. Okay. This is equal to 0, 0, and it is equal to minus a, 0 with the radius plus a, 0. Okay. And we can take the pole, that is the angle is theta. Here angle theta equal to 0 degrees to its theta degrees is pi by 2, and we can take this is the theta equal to pi by 4. How it is means, we can take r equal to 0, then 0 equal a square cos 2 theta. From this, cos 2 theta value is equal to 0. When it is 0, from 0 it is 0. 2 theta equal to 0 degrees. From this, theta equal to 0 degrees. When the radius is equal to 0, the angle is 0. And if r is equal to a, from this, a square equal to a square cos 2 theta. So a square by a square cos 2 theta equal to 1. Then 2 theta equal to, sorry, okay, when it is 0, then cos 2 theta equal to 0. Then 2 theta equal to pi by 2. It is theta equal to pi by 4. When theta equal to pi by 4, then radius is equal to 0. The radius is 0. The angle is pi by 4. Then cos 2 theta equal to a square by a square is equal to 1. When it is equal to 1, that is equal to, from this 2 theta equal to 0 degrees, then it is equal to 1. Theta equal to 0 degrees by 2 equal to 0 degrees. So for r is equal to a, the angle is 0. The angle is 0. For r equal to 0, the radius equal to 0, the angle is pi by 4. Okay. Here, the both whole area means we can take the whole area of the lemniscates r square equal to a square cos 2 theta is equal to 4 into area enclosed by one of the lobes. One of the lobes above the initial line. This is one of the lobes above the initial line means it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4. Okay. 4. We can take the curve, only 1 we are taking. That is equal to a is equal to 4 into integral over the region capital R. The polar form means small r dr d theta. In this, the limits of that theta is equal to 0 to pi by 4, before 4 is there. And here r radius is equal to 0 to under root of a square means that a come outside and cos 2 theta. A outside under root cos 2 theta r dr d theta. It is equal to 4 integral theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. R means r integration is r square by 2, limits from 0 to a under root of cos 2 theta d theta. It is equal to 4, this 2 right outside, and integral 0 to theta degrees 0 to pi by 4, not pi by 2, pi by 4. And r square means a square cos 2 theta minus 0 means 0. R value is 0. So that is 0 into d theta. it is equal to 2a square. Outside cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta by 2. Limits from 0 to pi by 4. 2 ones are cancel. A square sin 2 into pi by 4 minus sin 0 is 0. 2 ones are 2 twos are, sin pi by 2 value is 0. That is equal to a square units. The whole area is a square only.